Stefans.
Hello, Raj.
Hello, tell me a bit about yourself.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm from South Africa.
Uh-huh.
Decided to proceed with practicing IP law from a young age.
Where'd you grow up, first of all?
So there's a smallish city
Uh-huh.
in the center of South Africa. It's called Bloemfontein,
Okay.
and Bloemfontein is the capital city of the Free State province.
Okay.
So at that point in time, there was about 300,000 people living there.
Uh-huh.
But I think it's obviously a bit more now.
Yeah.
But so it's a very Afrikaans community
Uh-huh.
and mixed with some Sesotho because it's very close to Lesotho, which is a landlocked country, landlocked by South Africa.
Uh-huh.
So I grew up there. Went to school. My dad was a lawyer. He had his own firm, his own practice. He practiced he was a very general. So he did a lot of criminal work. He did a lot of business, setting up, incorporating new companies, and some commercial work, as well as third-party claims, serious injury law. So a bit scattered all over the place. And, from a young age, I had various conversations with him, to secure my future with me and my brother. We need to make sure that whatever we decide to proceed with, we need to secure our futures.
Yeah.
And he initially, he wasn't too fond of the idea that I wanted to study law.
Yeah.
Because it, in a certain way, limits you to a specific country.
Yeah.
You can't study law and go work somewhere else.
Unless you're at Trademarkia.
Unless you're at Trademarkia. And so that's also where the conversation about combining it with patent law came into perspective, which enabled me then to, open international doors. So from a young age, decided I wanted to be a patent lawyer, qualified as a patent lawyer, thereafter qualified as a trademark lawyer. And I love the combination of both. So I love doing some patent work, but I love doing some trademark work as well.
Oh, nice. And so you get a chance to do that here at Trademarkia.
I get the chance to do that at Trademarkia, which is amazing that we can work remotely.
Yeah.
It's something that, obviously with COVID, a lot of firms that had the infrastructure could practice remotely. At that point in time, I worked at a commercial law firm where I built the IP practice. We had just initiated that infrastructure that enabled us to work remotely, which was great. So we survived.
Right.
But, thereafter, it was back to the office. So, and I was quite taken aback at the fact that it happened so swiftly.
Yeah.
You would think that, people would adapt, but, people grabbed back to what they knew rather.
Yeah.
Which I found a bit peculiar.
Yeah.
And obviously, working from home or remotely for that matter, you need the right individuals. So you need people who are disciplined. You need people who are ambitious enough not to take advantage of the opportunity, and making sure that, the deliverables are on time, the targets are met. But I think from our perspective, our attorneys, they are hitting their metrics. It's the right people. So I think this model would work provided it's the right people.
Protect your brand with Trademarkia. Register your trademark on trademarkia.com.